fuel pump circuit. Fuse comes into the relay, then goes to the pump. There's no fuse after the pump, or after the relay. It goes directly to the pump. But let's go check control, which is fuse 12 and fuse 24. No power. Okay, so I need to look for fuse 24. The fuse is blown. I'll leave this here so we can see it. Yep, so as soon as I turn the key, it blows. So we've got a dead short somewhere. All right. Look at all them wires chewed up. Oh God, there's gas in there. Spills happen. It happens in a shop. Why can't it happen out here? But anyway, the pump's in. I'm about to put this tank back. And it's alive.